What's going on, everybody? Scott Hilse here with you today. Now, normally, as you guys know, I'm a dropshipper. Usually I'm doing dropshipping videos, but today I'm doing something very special, very interesting. I've always been interested in stocks. I have no knowledge at all on how to stock trade, like literally zero. So I'm going into this straight raw. I love it raw, and I'm going into it like, and I'm just super excited. So what I'm gonna do basically in this video is over a week's time, I'm gonna trade stocks on the app Robinhood. And I've been putting it off, and I've seen stocks like Shopify. I was looking at it when it was 132, now it's like 480. And then I remember when Tesla was 185, I'm like, should I buy? And I didn't. Now it's at like 500. Now I'm finally just gonna, get my feet wet and jump into stock trading. I'm gonna pick 3 stocks, and then I'm just gonna roll with that for the week, and let's just see what happens. So be sure to stay until the end of the video and watch everything in between, because if you guys are interested in stocks, this is the video to watch, because like I said, I am brand new at this, and I'm assuming a lot of you will probably be brand new at this. Before I hop on the platform and start buying these stocks, I just want to mention, be sure to check out my link below. That is my referral link for Robinhood. That'll give you a free stock, and that'll give me a free stock. So let's help each other out, okay? All right, I already have bought 10,000 shares in one stock. I'll explain that in a second. I'm gonna buy 2 more stocks, one on my phone, and then we're gonna go into my room and buy it on my computer. What I do is I go to the search button, and I go up to right here, the top movers. And a lot of these you can click on and you can see analyst rating. Not all of them will, like that one didn't. So Aurora Cannabis right here. If you scroll down, the analyst rating is 42% buy, 42% hold, 11% sales. A lot of these, it will have like the reason why you should buy and the reason why you should sell right here. It gives both opinions, and then it's ultimately up to you to choose. This is one I'm definitely gonna go after. I mean, this has been up to like $10 right here, and it's just going down so hard right now. Since it hasn't been this low since 2017, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and buy this one right now. After reading the buy rating right here, they're expanding production to Denmark, Portugal, and then right here, the research report, Aurora's focus on production has led to the highest gross margins across cannabis coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 1,800 stocks, $1.66. Review, and I'm gonna swipe up to submit on that. So the order's pending. I forgot to mention that the market is closed right now. Unfortunately, it's gonna be till Monday until this goes through. One thing I wanna cover before I go any further is my other stock that I invested in, and that is Polymet Mining. Now, the reason I found Polymet Mining, it was on that explore page that I showed you, but if you go to the 5-year mark, it has been up for a while. $1.29, up here, $1.10. And now it's all the way down to 42 cents. In the past day, it's pretty much double for 25 cents to 42. If you scroll down here to the news part, veteran mining executive Richard Locke joins Polymet team. You can open up the entire post and then you can read all about it. This guy's like a very, very veteran CEO in like the mining. This one looks good to me. I'm gonna throw some money at that. I bought 10,000 shares, and that was a total of $4,000 I put in, and I've already made $200 today on it. It's kind of getting dark out here, so let's go inside and find our third stock that we're gonna invest in. Back in my room, I pulled up my portfolio on Robinhood. So if you guys don't know, this is what it looks like on the computer. A little more official, a little better. I personally prefer doing it on here. This is the tab I was talking about that I was showing you outside, and it'll show you the top movers. Look at that, Aurora Cannabis is actually number 1. Go through and see like, here's a 100% buy, here's a 100% buy. You scroll down, you can change like the change over like the past 3 months, change over a week. If you're brand new at this is something that you should definitely check out. And then it's not showing on here, but earlier when I was doing my research, I found this stock called Pacific Drilling. And the reason I'm willing to bet on Pacific Drilling is it is marked as a 100% buy. Literally nothing else. Analysts rating all say 100% buy. I'm gonna trust these analysts, and I'm just gonna run it. Alrighty, we have bought it, and the order is pending. Once Monday comes around, those 2 stocks are gonna go through. So this is just the way I would trade $10,000 with no experience at all. I love learning new crafts, and this stuff is exciting. I've been looking at stocks for such a long time, and I'm super excited to see what happens. So I'll see you guys on Monday. It's the end of day 1, Monday, since the markets is open, and did not do great. So something bad pretty much happened. I'm just gonna go through each stock individually. First off, I'm gonna start with Polymet. As you guys know, I was talking about this one, and I was like, yeah, the new CEO came in, it's looking good. It didn't look too good in the day. I woke up and total loss for today is about $1,200, 1,161 right there. And then it really started to jump up near the end, and honestly ended up 30 cents. So I got it for 40 cents. It dropped 30 cents. So that's a 31% drop today. That isn't that great. This is the reason. Unfortunately, this just had to happen right when I bought it. Minnesota court rejected 3 Polymet permits, which apparently was like a huge deal for this company. That just sent the stock way down, went all the way down to 28 cents. I think it's so still gonna bounce back though. I think we're good. Sucks that this had happened day one of making this video. I'm enjoying living and learning because I think it's pretty cool how me in real time is seeing the direct effect of things that happen like that and how it affects a company. Like the company's value literally dropped 30+% because they got 2 permits denied. Now we can't talk about the good stuff. So Aurora Cannabis actually did go up. It went up 3% today for a total win of $270. I'm down with that. It's been going down for such a long time. Maybe this is like the final turnaround to get back to, you know, the $10 for like a huge return. Because again, I only bought it for $1.58. And let's go to the next one right now. Pacific Drilling Company. This one went down a bit too. You know, I lost $236 on this one, 8.28% decrease. And I woke up and I looked at my portfolio and it's like, oh, I just lost like fucking $1,300 today. But again, that's the name of the stock market. I could lose $1,300 today. I could make $1,300 tomorrow. Let's see what happens tomorrow on day 2, Tuesday. Alrighty guys, we're here at day 2 now. Nothing too exciting really happened. Polymed, I mean, it went up $100 today. See, I made 141, but still at a total loss of $1,000. Now what's really exciting though is this Aurora Cannabis, that's going crazy. I bought way down here at 160 and now it's at 180, so that means my total win for this stock is $414. Then Pacific Drilling, nothing to write home about, a total loss of $300. If PLM bounces back to 40 cents, then this is gonna be a profitable week. So that's day 2. See you tomorrow on Wednesday, day 3. Guys, it is Wednesday and now Pacific Drilling is just tanking. Again, I bought it at $4.50 and now it is at $3.10. And this is why right here. According to Google, Pacific Drilling's now arbitration decision, which I guess is a bad thing, tanked their stock big time. 41% in the past week. Amazing, right? Amazing. So my total loss on this is $800 and then PLM is staying at a steady 30 cents. It honestly wasn't the smartest idea of mine to invest in those types of companies because with climate change and all these environmentalist groups coming, their companies are tanking and it makes sense like why their stocks have gone down so much. So what I'm gonna do right now is, because I'm just so tired, I see Pacific Drilling just going down, down, down. I think it's gonna go down even more. I'm gonna sell all Pacific Drilling and I'm gonna sell all of Polymed and just get rid of those. I'm done with those and I'm gonna look into what stocks I should invest that money into now. So I've now sold all my stocks except for Aurora Cannabis is going crazy. Just 13% plus today. This one is saving my ass. See, I'm already up a total return of $800. So in total, as it sits right now, I got $3,600 in there plus this. So now I'm honestly only looking at a $1,000 loss, guys. So it's not too bad. But now I am gonna look closely at these other stocks and see what I should invest in. A lot of people told me to invest in LMPX. And I'm really mad I didn't because just today they're up 22%. Just today. I'm so mad. From the beginning, this is why I got into stocks. Someone told me to trade this one and I ended up not listening to them. So I'm thinking about going all in on LMPX right now with the money I just sold. So this is what I've decided to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy 500 more shares of Aurora Cannabis. And then I'm gonna go over to LMPX right here. I really think this is gonna go crazy. Like look, 22% today. So I'm gonna buy 111 shares of LMPX. Now as a review, I got 111 shares now of LMPX and I got 2,300 shares of Aurora Cannabis. So now my portfolio is definitely shrinking in both money and diversity, but these are 2 very strong stocks, so I'm excited to see what will happen. Wow, all right guys, thank God I made that move because look, in 20 minutes, I went from 9,311 in my portfolio up to 9,774. LMPX went crazy. As you guys saw, I bought at $36.50. Right when I bought it, spiked the fuck up. And I think this is gonna go even crazier. And then Aurora, the 1,000 I put in, it's still going pretty well. So I'm really, really happy with my decisions. Thank God I made that decision. Can't wait for tomorrow. Alrighty guys, we are at the end of Thursday and look at this. Just today, up $937. And as you can see right here, LMPX jumped up big ass time. It has progressively been going up since I bought it. So that bet on LMPX really saved my ass. So now I'm up 600 in total. Pacific Drilling, I bought that at $4.20 and that's at $2.95. And PLM I bought at 42 cents and that's down to 28 cents. So that was a total noob move and I learned now. I'm learning a lot of lessons. Be sure to stay to the end of this video because I'm gonna just lay out everything I've learned in this week of trading with literally no experience. Obviously I got no experience based on these stupid ass trades and holds I'm doing. I don't even have, apparently you're able to like set it so it trades if it goes to a certain level and buys if it goes to a certain level. I don't even know. I'm still learning all this, but this is exciting that I'm now up $583 for today. It's on an upswing. It could all tank tomorrow. It's crazy how the first day I lose $1,300 and then the second last day I make $1,000. The stock market, this is such a crazy game, but I'm trying to learn more consistencies in it so that I can predict the trades. So yeah, this is the end of Thursday. I'll see you guys tomorrow on Friday. So now it is Friday. It has been officially 1 week since we started this $10,000 stock training journey. Here is the end result. We are ending at $9,954. Means in total, I lost $46 in the past week. Don't tell me stocks don't work. That's proof they do. No, but really, I made those 2 really bad trades. I was betting on the oil industry, and you probably shouldn't be betting on the oil industry, and I was reading the stocks all wrong. But that's the best way to learn. You learn by actually doing, and you learn by making those mistakes, because those mistakes hurt the most. Let's just go into the details here. Aurora Cannabis was one of my biggest winners. I think the total profit it is showing was $991. Ended at $211. I bought it at $168, so that was a good buy. LMPX. Got it at $36.75. Now it ended at $40.81, and that is a total profit of $450. Unfortunately, I lost $468 right here, or this would have been a profitable week. And then just for fun, let's go check out Pacific Drilling. Pacific Drilling tanked like crazy. I bought it at peak time and it just sank. So I'm really happy with myself that I didn't hold on to that, or I would have definitely lost thousands. And classic Polymed. Polymed basically stayed at 30 cents right after I bought it at its also peak at 41. And it just tanked from there. It was a great experience to be able to get my feet wet in something I just never tried before. And luckily, I only was able to lose like $40. I've talked to some people who've lost like $4,000 their first time trading in stocks. I'm definitely gonna still trade. I'm definitely gonna still work on this craft. I don't know if I'm gonna make any more videos on stocks. If you guys do wanna see more videos on stocks, go ahead and comment below. Do more stock trading videos. Do more stock trading videos. And if I get enough comments, I'll consider making more. To conclude this video, what I really wanna say is it's super important to do your research deeply on each company before you buy it. As you saw at the beginning of this video, I would just like go on the app. I'd be like, the analysts say buy, and then I would buy, and I wouldn't really go any deeper than that. I am definitely not the one to listen to when it comes to stock trading, obviously. Never listen to anybody who's never done whatever it is you're trying to do. You're gonna end up not doing it just like them. So if I could go back, I would only listen to people who stock trade. Like I said, my friend who stock trades a lot literally said, bet on LMPX, it's gonna go up. And I didn't fully listen to him. And if I would've, I would have made $10,000 in the past week. And this is a super important lesson, because instead of listening to someone who's done it and has been very successful in it, I decided I'm just gonna switch it up and go my own route, and I lost $40 when I could have made $10,000. Super important. I just did this to have a little bit of fun, get my feet wet, and now I'm gonna take this more seriously, and I'm really gonna listen close to the people who do this for a living and who have made millions off of this, because those are the only people you should be listening to, the people at the top who are willing to share that information. Contact those in your life where you see who are actually making big money on it, doing it full time, because if you listen to those people and you follow their every step and do not question it at all, you're gonna make money in it. It's just a matter of how much trust you're willing to put into a certain person, or how much trust you're willing to put into certain information. That's all I can really say about it. One last reminder before I go, be sure to sign up with that Robinhood referral link right below. That'll give you a free stock. You can either get like a $3 stock, or honestly, it goes all the way up to like a $500 stock. One of my referrals actually gave me this, a $221 Facebook stock. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to comment below. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if I should do more stock trading videos, and smash that like button as always. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. Peace.